Some people believe that the best way to achieve a luxurious and layered space is through the use of rich color, but I don't necessarily agree with that. I personally believe that you can achieve a gorgeous and welcoming home by just using layers of textures and neutrals, and I'm going to show you how. I've chosen to furnish this living room in a mix of almost all white tones and very little color. The sofa is upholstered in a textured white linen fabric, and all the pillows have lots of pattern and interest, but no color. I've added a couple of faux fur throws in ivory and a beautiful textured rug, which makes everything feel warm and cozy. Another way to add layers and interest when working with a neutral space is by using blonde woods. They feel very fresh and modern and not nearly as heavy as dark wood, and this also works perfectly in the modern farmhouse aesthetic. Another great way to work with layers is in the bedroom. By simply purchasing 2 or 3 coordinating set of sheets, you can create a beautiful yet slightly different look on your bed every time you do the laundry. And for example, if you have a white sleeping pillow, a gray sham, and an accent cushion, you get even more versatility when things are reversible. So remember, you don't necessarily need to use color to create a luxurious and layered space. I'm Andrew Pike for Empire Communities, and if you follow my 3 simple tips, I guarantee you'll end up with a warm and cozy home of your very own.